Logic blocks perform actions which enable advanced processing and complex record management. Logic blocks are components of the Nextworld Platform, configured by application developers to perform logical operations. The following are just a few of the actions a logic block can perform. Showing or hiding components within an application based on the value entered. For example, hiding a tax rate field when nonprofit is selected in the customer field. Evaluating if defined conditions are met before completing an action, such as confirming all required fields have data before saving and processing a record. Automating processes in certain application records. For example, moving a purchase order to the paid status once payment has been processed. Validating that data conforms to defined business rules or default values. One example is confirming that the date entered into a payment date field does not occur after today's date. Integrating applications by fetching values from one record and inserting them into another table's record, such as updating inventory records based on fields entered into the procurement application. Triggering specific functions or processes when certain conditions are met. For example, ordering additional stock when supply reaches a set quantity for each product. Configuring logic blocks to run actions on a set schedule, such as processing large data sets during non-working hours. Generating reports by pulling data from multiple sources. And performing mathematical calculations such as computing sale price based on cost, product type, and set margin. How a logic block is configured determines what actions it performs and which processes will initiate it. When designing a logic block, an application developer will consider what type of logic block they need, how it should be configured, and where in Nextworld the logic block should be connected. The following is an example of how a pair of logic blocks can be configured to manage product inventory. The first logic block will change the status of a product from available to reserved when an order is initiated. The second logic block will determine the next step in the process based on a set time frame. If the order is completed, the logic block will initiate the shipping process. Or if the set time frame has passed and the order has not been completed, the logic block will change the product's status back to available. As you can see, logic blocks are powerful tools that can perform many actions on the Nextworld platform. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. To learn more about this topic, please refer to Nextworld Help.